When markets decline steadily. It's Sunday night, and Jill believes the markets will swing upwards tomorrow. On Monday morning, she buys $100 of a daily 3x Leveraged Bull ETF for a total of $300 of market exposure. Unfortunately for Jill, her prediction is wrong, and her ETF's benchmark index declines 5% from 100 to 95 points. Her daily 3x Leveraged Bull ETF returns 300% of that loss for a total of a 15% decline. Her ETF is now worth just $85, which means that Jill will start Tuesday with just $255 of exposure to the index. At this point, a prudent investor might decide to cut their losses and exit their position, but for explanatory purposes, we'll continue. On Tuesday, the index declines from 95 to 90, a 5.26% decline, and Jill's ETF falls another 15.78% to $71.58. On Wednesday, the index goes down to 85, an additional 5.56% loss, and Jill's ETF declines to $59.65 for a total exposure of $178.95. On Thursday, the index declines again by 5.88%, and Jill's ETF goes down another 17.64% to $49.12 for an exposure of $147.36. Finally, on Friday, the index drops to 75, an additional decline of 6.25%, and Jill's ETF again drops 18.75%. At the end of the week, with 5 consecutive days of 5-point declines in the benchmark index, Jill's ETF is worth $39.91, and her total exposure is just $119.74. All told, the benchmark index experienced a total decline of 25% for the week. The daily rebalance has reduced exposure each day, and subsequent unfavorable index moves have created positive compounding. Jill's investment still declined significantly at negative 60.09%, but not as much as 3 times the cumulative return of the index, negative 75% each day. As part of the rebalancing process, the fund pulled a portion of the assets out of the index to ensure that the fund's market exposure equals 3 times the fund's assets. The end result of this process is that Jill ended up losing less than she would have if the fund was not rebalanced each day. To learn more about Direxion's leveraged ETFs, please visit Direxion at Direxion.com. An investor should carefully consider a fund's investment objective, risks, charges, and expenses before investing. A fund's prospectus and summary prospectus contain this and other information about the Direxion shares. To obtain a fund's prospectus and summary prospectus, call 866-476-7523 or visit our website at Direxion.com. A fund's prospectus and summary prospectus should be read carefully before investing.